Hello, sir.
How you doing, partner?
Good, good. You're a
How's it
supervisor,
going?
sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, thank you, sir. I just don't want to get harassed, man.
No, you're not getting harassed,
All
buddy.
right. No, I don't want to.
Okay, you're not, man.
Now, he told me for me to step out my vehicle. Now that you're here, you're the supervisor. Your name is Rodriguez.
Yes,
Now I'll be willing to get off my vehicle.
Okay. Look, the reason is, but, I mean, we got reason to believe that, I mean, you may be hiding something. Now, we at the check, we need mere suspicion, but do you have anything illegal in your vehicle
sir,
that you should be concerned of?
No, I do.
How about us?
I do not have anything besides my car, sir.
Okay.
I mean, my gun.
Quick?
Excuse
You
me?
got a weapon on you?
Yeah, my rifle is in the back, sir. That's it.
Good. That's fine. But
Thank you, bud.
Border Patrol checkpoints frequently turn into fishing expeditions when agents use arbitrary claims of smelling contraband to force a vehicle search. When an individual insists on speaking directly to a supervisor, it immediately shifts the dynamic and forces the agents to justify their actions. The primary legal justification for these static encounters is found in United States v. Martinez Fuerte, 428 U.S. 543, 1976, which states that brief questioning of vehicle occupants at a checkpoint is permissible under the Fourth Amendment. By demanding a supervisor, an auditor ensures that this brief stop does not escalate into an unconstitutional detention without oversight.
Yo, what's good? Damn, my fucking hair, my nigga. About to pass the checkpoint. Let's see what's up. No, you're a citizen, sir.
Where you from?
Here you go, pass.
Where you going right now?
San Antonio, sir?
For what?
Just to have fun.
Where at?
Just to have fun.
Do you have an ID with you?
I have my driver's license. Of course I do. Need to look for it, though. Give me a second, sir. Have a little bit of mess. Oh, here it is.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah, my driver's license. There it is, sir.
All right. Can I have it?
Of course not, sir. For what?
Can you park over there, sir?
Of course. I'm going over there.
All right.
Hello, sir.
What's up, sir?
How are you doing today?
Good. You, sir?
Good. Where are we heading to today?
I already told him, sir. I'm going to San Antonio, sir.
Oh, no, you didn't talk to me.
Oh, no. I told him. You're a supervisor?
No, I'm not a supervisor.
All right, then.
This is your vehicle, sir?
It's my mom's vehicle, sir.
I'm sorry?
It's my mom's vehicle, sir.
It's your mom's vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You live here, or what brings you down here?
I'm just going to go have fun. I mean, it's Friday, you know. There's nothing else to do.
Oh, okay. Does your mom know that you got the vehicle, or what?
Yes, sir. She does.
Okay. Do you smoke in the vehicle, sir?
No, sir. I do not.
No, you sure?
Positive.
Okay.
I ain't trying to get harassed for your information.
No, I understand. I see that. That's fine. I mean, you're perfectly when you're right.
I've been through here a lot of times, sir.
Okay, that's good.
And I've dealt with all of this time.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Good, good. You're the supervisor, sir?
No.
Oh, okay. What's up, sir?
What do you mean, what's up?
Nothing. Just what's up. I'm curious to know what's.
You curious?
Look, I was the primary agent right there. All right.
Yes, sir.
I asked you for your ID, right?
Yeah, of course.
Hey,
Can you turn off the vehicle, please?
Yeah, of course I can, sir. Of course. I have no problem me turning it off. Let me click it there just so I can record. There you go.
Right now, up to right now, I was the primary agent. I identify myself, right?
Yes, sir. You identify yourself?
Yeah, over there. I'm the primary agent.
Oh, okay.
Border Patrol Agent Macias, all right?
Yes, sir.
I asked you for an ID,
I showed it to you.
and I have a probable cause that there's a contraband on the vehicle, all right?
Probable cause how?
You could smell. All right, look at me. Look at
Okay.
me.
Yeah, I'm looking
all right?
at you, sir.
All right. I had this training at the academy
Right.
as a Border Patrol agent, all right?
Right.
So that gave me the authority to send you to secondary, all right?
Right. No, yeah, of course. I mean,
Now,
Agents at checkpoints often try to exploit a driver's cooperation to extend the stop into a full vehicular search without explicit consent. In the video, the driver explicitly refuses a search due to past experiences with vehicle damage, but the agents push forward regardless. However, the Fourth Amendment explicitly protects this boundary, declaring that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. Standing firm on this lack of consent strips the agents of a voluntary waiver of rights and forces them to rely entirely on a narrow claim of probable cause.
can you step out of the vehicle and go over there?
how do I know you're lying to me?
Because I received that training.
But just because you received the training doesn't mean anything.
No.
I'm telling you that I don't smoke, so you know I don't know why you're telling me.
No,
Can I talk to your supervisor, sir,
Yeah.
please? I don't want to talk to you. Can I talk to you?
Yeah,
Can you
okay.
call him over here, please? I don't want to get, I don't want to get
No, we got two witnesses. We have a witness.
Yeah,
we
but
got
I just because you have him doesn't mean anything. I don't trust him just how I don't trust you. I don't want to get what's the
That's-
word?
no, that's
Okay,
fine.
can you please call him? I'm right here. You guys can see me. I don't have anything illegal. By the way, for your safety, I don't have to. I have my gun in the back, my rifle. That's it. That's it. I have.
They're all legit, right?
Yes, sir. No, just one. My rifle.
And the other one is not.
No, I only have one gun.
Oh, you said two. My gun and my rifle.
Oh, I meant rifle. Sorry about that. I only have a rifle.
That's it. Just give me a second with the supervisor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I take off my seatbelt, sir?
Yes, we're gonna have a agent right there.
yeah, if you want to take your seatbelt off.
Appreciate it, man. I don't like going through this shit. Hello,
How
sir.
you doing, partner?
Good, good. You're a
How's it
supervisor,
going?
sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, thank you, sir. I just don't want to get harassed, man.
No, you're not getting harassed,
All
buddy.
right. No, I don't want to.
Okay, you're not, man.
Now, he told me for me to step out my vehicle. Now that you're here, you're the supervisor. Your name is Rodriguez.
Rodriguez, yes, sir.
Now I'll be willing to get off my vehicle.
Okay. Look, the reason is, but I mean, we got reason to believe that. I mean, you may be behind something. Now we at the check. We need mere suspicion. But do you have anything illegal in your
No,
vehicle
sir, I
that
do-
you should be concerned of?
No, I
Well,
do.
how about us?
I do not have
Okay, do
anything
you mind
besides
if
my car, sir.
Okay,
I mean,
do you mind if we
I'm sorry,
check
my
real
gun.
quick?
Excuse
Oh, you
me?
got a weapon on you?
Yeah, my
Oh,
rifle is in the
okay,
back, sir. That's it.
Good. That's fine. But there's
Thank
no
you about
problem.
that.
Do you mind if we check your car just a quick canine search?
On K9, I do not because look, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you see that scratch right there, right here. See that scratch? I've dealt with this before. Right here.
Okay.
It's right here, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
don't see
I
it.
have another scratch over here on this other side.
Okay.
That's dealt with the canines before, right?
Okay.
I have dogs personally. I don't know if you see I'm full of hairs. How I said, when I go through my car, I don't give you no reason for you guys to go to my car because I'm just going up on my way. Do I have anything? I'm telling you straight up, I do not have anything, sir.
Okay.
I wouldn't carry my gun if you feel me? You don't understand
Yeah,
where I'm coming
I
from?
understand where you're going,
I'm not about that, sir. I'm just trying to go up on my way and have a fun day. That's it, man.
Yeah, absolutely, buddy. You got that
Of course,
right, man.
of course, yeah.
You got that right, but we're gonna search your car, bud.
Go ahead,
Okay?
search it. Can I get off now?
Yes, yeah, absolutely, man.
All right.
Please.
I ain't trying to get harassed, man. You know what I mean? Because
Just go ahead and sit over there, partner.
of course. Hey, can I open the trunk?
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna have.
Yeah, because look, everybody opens it, and I have the cars where yeah, I bought my car like this where it opens really ugly. That's my gun. I do not give
Not
no.
loaded or anything, man.
No, I do not
Okay.
give no consent for them. Nobody to touch it, sir. Please.
Quick search, though.
Thank you, sir. I
problem.
really like your professional. So right now, they're gonna search my car. They're gonna go do what they're gonna do. Oh, I don't know. They said that it smells like weed, right? I don't know what they're talking about, right? So they said that they're gonna search my car. So that's it. They're just gonna go through my car and I'll be up on my way, man. Just like a normal other day.
You give us consent to search the vehicle, correct?
Well, I do not give you consent, man. But this other guy told me that he's well gonna search it. That's what he says.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, okay? Because I can, I'm telling you right now, we've all gone through this training, okay? With the vehicle, there's a strong odor of marijuana coming from it.
Yeah, all right.
And I'm just being straightforward with
You ain't gonna find nothing, sir. I'm being
Okay,
straight
well
up too.
then, what are you worried about?
I'm not worried about
Did you,
nothing. I'm trying to.
Did you smoke, bro?
I'm trying to go up on my way. I'm a user, sir.
Okay,
I'm a
okay.
user. I'm a
and
user.
look,
That's-
we're not gonna.
No, but look. One thing, and I understand where you're coming from. One thing is, I tell you guys, oh, I'm a user. Oh, pull up right away. Just because I'm a user. You feel me? I mean, No, come on.
But look,
I understand where I'm.
If you have something that says you can legally use it, fine, so be it. But that's the problem. It's still illegal. So.
I understand where you're coming from. I don't use it to be cool. I use it for my healthness. You know what I mean?
Okay,
I
but
take
you have
pills. You know what I mean?
documentation
And
to
I.
support that.
No, I do not, sir. But I've gone to California and I have a license for it. You know what I mean?
A license for what?
For me to smoke, I can
Okay,
buy
but
weed.
that's California.
I
This is
understand.
Texas, sir.
I understand where you're coming from. Do I use it in public places? I do not. I use it at my own time, man. That's it. I'm straight up. I've been through a lot of here before, man.
Right.
They've told me the same thing, man. And one time I stayed in my car. You know what I mean? They asked me, "Can I search your gun?" And they went, they told me the same thing. It smells like weed, and a lot of BPs know me. I'm not
Right,
gonna lie.
right.
And I just told them, I was like, I just want to go up on my way, man.
No, you
you're gonna
will,
waste
bro.
your time. You're gonna waste my time.
But because you're a user partner, listen to me, man. Because what if you have someone there?
Right.
No,
That's
you
what
say,
That's
okay.
what I'm saying. That if I say that, because that's why I didn't tell him. You know what I mean? Because if I
Right.
tell him, he's gonna be like, "Oh, put up right away." You know what I mean? Because he's gonna think like, "Oh, right away, he's a youngster. He's gonna
No, but
pass."
just smell alone, partner. You gotta know where we're coming from. Just smell alone
Yeah.
gives us reason to believe that you might have some.
Right.
Whether you don't, hey,
Okay.
it's better,
Okay.
bro.
Okay. No, go ahead. You're
Okay.
not gonna find nothing. I mean, how I say, search it. You're gonna do your job just how I'm gonna be up on my way. You know what
Exactly, bro. Simple as that, man.
Yep.
All right, buddy?
Go ahead, sir.
Okay.
I mean? Thank you, sir. Just no canines, right? Because I don't want my car to get scratched, man.
No. That's the thing. I can run the dog.
Like
around the
I'm not
vehicle,
scared
okay?
about it. It's just
I
if you
understand.
scratch my car, I'm gonna talk to your supervisor and your boss.
Look.
All right, thank you.
Right.
That's it. That's
If
it.
something happens,
For
hey,
sure.
We'll take care of it.
All right, thank you, man. Yeah, because I dealt with what's his name, Wasser,
Yeah.
and he scratched my car,
Yeah.
and he didn't find anything, and I'm into that and reporting it so they can. Cause look at my car, I ain't trying to have it scratched. You know what I mean?
You're in your right, buddy. You're in your right, man. There's a thing called a tort claim. And
Right.
If there's any damages caused to your vehicle or any property inside the vehicle, you have every right to file a tort claim and possible reimbursement.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, buddy?
Thank you, sir. So yeah, right now they're just searching my car. That's it, I guess. I don't know. I'll keep you guys. I'm recording for my safety, sir. Your supervisor didn't allow me to record, sir.
Okay.
So I'm good. I don't gotta record you.
What kind of work do you do?
Does it matter what I do?
No, I'm just asking. You don't have to tell me.
Oh, okay. I don't answer questions.
You don't?
No.
Okay. So you just want to be
I
not answering the question.
no. I used to work, man. How much you guys get paid? Curious.
I don't have to answer that.
Okay, there you go. I don't have to answer you. There you go. Keep it at that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So now you're a little lawyer. Okay.
A massive point of contention occurs when checkpoint agents aggressively handle a citizen's legally possessed firearm inside the vehicle during a search. The agent in the video claims absolute authority to handle the driver's rifle, brushing off the citizen's explicit request to leave it untouched. This protective barrier is explicitly outlined in the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which commands that the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Knowing this right allows an auditor to recognize and document the overreach when agents cross the line from a border check to interfering with legal firearm ownership.
Our dog alerted. That car is ours. We can touch whatever we want.
Not my gun. Not my
Yes,
gun.
Yes, we can. So we don't know if you got something hidden in it, right?
How would I have something hidden in
You
my
can
gun?
hide a joint in there. I don't know that. Do you know that?
Can you
I
touch
don't.
my gun, sir?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, we can, bro.
For what reason?
Just check it, man.
For real?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay. You didn't have to come at me in that way, right?
Come on, bro.
I was just curious. Like,
No,
you don't gotta touch
bro,
my
don't let
gun.
me
You
talk
feel
to
me?
you, but
Go ahead, man.
I'm a supervisor, man. I'm trying to,
No,
talk to you straight.
man. I'm all cool with you, man. It's just I personally thought you told me the right thing. Am I arguing? No, I'm not.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, there you go. I just thought for my because I said, like you cannot touch my gun just because of that reason. You feel me?
Yeah,
But he told me that he has all the right to touch it. That's all he had to
No,
say.
we're just gonna check it. We're gonna touch it. We're not gonna mess with it, bro. We're not gonna, pull a bolt.
But
back
where
or
you
anything.
understand where I'm coming from?
Absolutely,
He
bro.
comes talking to me all this way, like I'm talking to him respectfully, just told him to not touch my gun, you know what I mean?
No,
That's what I don't like about some of them, you know what I mean?
No, we're gonna leave it as is, bro. We're not gonna mess
Thank
with
you,
it,
man. Thank
know.
you.
I mean, if you see any damages to your vehicle, bro, then you can call that torque that I was talking to you about.
Yes, I do, sir. What, the dog's annoying or what?
Well, why don't you go hop over there, bro?
You guys check fobs and stuff. That you guys are crazy. That's what's up, though. I ain't.
Is this the key that locks
The what, sir?
right there in the center console?
No, it's open. It opens.
No, but yeah, is that what controls to lock the center console box?
In the middle?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I never messed with that. But locking it, it's not locked.
No, I understand that it's not locked.
That's the key, though. You're asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it is.
That's why I'm looking at it.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it is. I'm sorry, I didn't know about that. I've never locked my.
Are you free to go past, buddy? Okay. ¿Dónde viste, bro?
Yeah.
Smart auditors actively record these entire checkpoint interactions to hold agents accountable and protect themselves from fabricated claims of resistance. The driver continuously films the interaction for safety, refusing to let intimidation or aggressive questioning stop the recording. This right to document public officials is firmly backed by the landmark Supreme Court ruling in Smith v. Cumming, 212 F. 3rd 1332, 11th Circuit 2000, which held that citizens have a First Amendment right, subject to reasonable time, manner, and place restrictions, to photograph or videotape police activities. This simple act of keeping the camera rolling completely demolishes the ability of phishing agents to abuse their authority in secret.